In this video, we'll be showing you how to format a hard drive for your Mac. So here, we've got a brand new Toshiba hard drive that's never been used before, and let's go ahead and get this guy plugged into our computer. After popping it into the USB port, we can see it pops up right here on our desktop. Upon opening the hard drive, we can see it is completely empty, and at this point, we actually cannot add anything to the drive itself. So, to start the formatting process, open up Finder, and then go to the Applications tab. In Applications, look for and select the Utilities folder. In this folder, you're going to want to select the Disk Utility option. Now this is going to bring up all of the hard drives that are connected to your computer, and we're going to go ahead and select the new one that we have plugged in. If you are reformatting an old hard drive that has contents on it, I would highly encourage you to back up all of those files, because in order to reformat a hard drive, you do need to wipe the entire thing and erase all of the contents. That said, to begin the formatting process, we're going to click the Erase button, and then we can select what type of format we would like to use. For our case, we're going to be using the exFAT format as that suits our needs best. Yours may be different. Once you have your format selected, then you can click Erase. It will begin to wipe the drive and reformat it to the selected format you chose. And that is how you format a hard drive on a Mac. Now, as you can see, we'll open it up and it is ready for files to be uploaded and added to it. Thanks for watching.